family sitting there like, I don't got time for this.
Alright, so basically there's these really cool Kodiak bears. And they're playing. And she is being very weird. This is basically a birthday gift. Say hi, Daddy.
Hey, babe. Boy.
Say hi, everybody.
Hey, Bay Bear. Bear boy.
And as you can see,
Vito.
hi, Ma.
Bear. Oh.
And as you can see, you have some stuff over there.
Oh,
Got some stuff over there, and then there was some like hyenas.
Oh, these
but
are Kodiak bears.
yeah,
These are Himalayans.
told you.
Yeah.
They were born here. Really?
In January.
Oh. They just breed bears.
Where are the bears? There's the bears. As you can see, they're playing. They're very cute.
Selective breeding.
You can see they're playing. They're very cute.
That is some good bear action.
They don't run fast.
Oh yeah, they do. They can run up to 35 miles an hour, which is fast.
And these stupid birds keep on flying past, which is very annoying.
Oh, looks like the pirates got out.
Looks like they stopped, but you never know what could happen next. I mean, they're bears. They're pretty cute. And oh, sorry about that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll see you next.